5 seconds. Start. Orders on issues framed on 11/1/2023. The present suit is filed by the plaintiff praying for decree of perpetual injunction restraining defendant from causing obstruction to the plaintiff's possession and enjoyment over the suit property, including a prohibitory order restraining eviction of plaintiff permanently without following due process of law. Full point. It is the case of plaintiff that the plaintiff is occupying a shed on the land bearing survey number 4/B situated at Yamanur village in Navalgunda Taluk. Full point. The plaintiff contends that the said property is possessed and enjoyed by the plaintiff ever since 1992. Full point. Ever since 1992, the plaintiff has come in possession and continued to be in occupation of the said shed located on the said property continuously till the date of filing of suit, and that the plaintiff has been paying electricity and water charges without obstruction. Full point. The plaintiff has contended that the suit property was acquired by defendant and constructed shed for the purpose of execution of project work by establishing an office. Full point. On completion of the said work, the defendant shifted office and kept the suit property vacant. Full point. As such, the plaintiff was inducted into suit property by defendant full point. Accordingly, the shelter over the suit property is to be protected, full point. It is the contention of the plaintiff that the defendant is making attempts to dispose the plaintiff from the suit property, full point. The plaintiff has contended that the defendants have not issued any notice to the plaintiff and no reasonable opportunity is given for hearing before taking any action, full point. Therefore, the plaintiff is likely to come on streets if disposed by the defendants, full point. With the above pleadings, the plaintiff has approached this court seeking an order of temporary injunction restraining the defendants from dispossessing the plaintiff till disposal of suit by filing an application under order Rule 1 and 2 of CPC, and the plaintiff has also sought for a decree of perpetual injunction seeking permanent prohibitory orders as mentioned above, full point.